Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up your account in Khan Academy. So the first step is to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Khan Academy. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, which is the official logo of the Khan Academy website. Click on it. Now it will lead you to a home page of Khan Academy website, and here on the top right corner you can see sign up option. Click on it. Now here you have three different options to sign up as. You can sign up as a learner or as a teacher or as a parent. Here I am choosing learner. Now select your date of birth. Now here you have four different options to sign up. You can sign up with your Google account or with your Facebook account or with Apple ID account, or you can also sign up with your email. Here I have signed up with my Google account, and following the simple and easy step, you have successfully signed up in Khan Academy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.